Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek's aim. Ha kasngi balang habakren chikila pathai khubor ha ka bay day baka jing sha kemno ki rang de met. Ha ka jing let khanra ki pulit. Ulay thu baka daw ka badon ya kum kini ki jat brew ki balong lingkar ka jing im. Wat bande no ya ka met lade. Ulo ang ba kum kini kan khta ya ka jing im ka jongki bat ya ki weiru kumju. Kham tam ka jing port state ukhnyang jing pang HIV. USP ulapente baya kum kini ki jing khanra. Katnat pulet kan beteng ban Pynlong ka jing talasi ya ki jaka ki balong ki Ktem de met bat sha ki wei ki jakaru. Na kalyang katnat pulet kala kentu ya ki Trai hotel ne kinu ki Trai Ïingbasa. Bakinum aila de kum kini ki jat kam ban long ka jaka ne ka Ktem de met. Da ka ba Maham balada lab on pengat ikiru hagi kendon an.
Vivek, one more related case. Just recently, you all shared a press release about busting this prostitution racket in and around Pynlong area.
Yes.
If you could throw some light, sir.
See this coordinated raid which was conducted will be sustained. The problem which we are having of sex workers is just not a police one, it is a social problem. It concerns livelihood issues. We need to have a concerted effort with other departments, social welfare, health, because there is concern on the growth of HIV. There is also concern on the residential areas and also religious areas where prostitution is being carried out. So these coordinated raids will carry on, but it will extend to other areas also. At this juncture, I would like to urge hotels, guest houses not to entertain such activity. Otherwise, the law will take its own course. We are vigilant about this, and we are vigilant also. We are in the know of which guest houses and hotels are clean and which are not, and thereafter we will clamp down very hard. So we will also take up with social welfare, for which they are also have agreed to rehabilitate some of the sex workers who are willing on skill-based vocations, and we will also involve health. We'll take up with health also to actually see that the spread of HIV does not take place.
What is the
What is
now arrested or what is it?
What is the next step of action against the detained 16 persons?
See, they are for soliciting in public, and also that they for causing nuisance. So they will be compounded by court. That means fine is there, and if they commit the act again, then there will be subsequent compounding. That means paying to court. So that will hit their pockets and all that. We have seized their vehicles, so it has been made things more difficult, and we will continue to do so.
When they are
So
released?
it's this racket.
Yes,
Did you find
as per the Supreme Court guidelines and all that, we cannot arrest them. We cannot arrest them, especially at night. And then what about the guidelines? We cannot arrest them at night. We cannot arrest them. We have to give them bail. Yes.
So this racket, did you find any angle of trafficking? Because many girls as young as 17, 18 get into the profession.
See, it starts from activities like this, where it starts from activities like this, where they start in a small group. You have a pimp. Now, your market out here may be in Shillong, but if your market gets exhausted, then you will try to find markets elsewhere. So that's where the trafficking network. You have to have a network. You have to have a pimp who's actually going to arrange in those other bigger cities, and we've had those cases before. It's not that we haven't not had. So it starts with small little networks like this, which grow into bigger networks. Girls from here could be lured. Once a network is formed, they will have contacts. Then girls get lured because of easy money, but they don't know once they're inside it, it's not easy to come out of it, and also they put themselves in harm's way.
Laju yo ani ko case ka ba ki kina kin trade do ki la shusha bor ban joins ban pinya soil di betul jai kam.
Indan kata ka case ba ang ba penbor di bakin kwa ban lagi andre na ki circumstances baki ya kendo ini ki jingya bi kendo ki ban se pada kaban ka jingdo ki ban se pada ki habiat betul nanti de kim dan ru kata kala nanti ban na kim dan te ki brio ban wan harap ya ki ya de ki poi ha tu ka pot kan de ngidi ban pun sko tho ba andre ki dan ki la nanti ki dan ki kilanti ke ban I come ban I jump ban I skill ki bakna ki la ni that has to be impressed upon them.